Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started. Today I'm making Sichuan style egg omelet with minced pork and pickled mustard. So let's review the ingredients. I have some eggs here, and this is the shredded pickled mustard. And it comes in a package in the refrigerated section of the Asian market. And this pickled mustard or preserved vegetable has a salty, savory flavor with a crunchy texture. And here we have fresh wood ears, garlic, piece of green onion, bamboo shoots, ground pork, have Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, white pepper, seasoning salt mix, cornstarch slurry, chicken stock, and cornstarch. And for the prep, let's begin with the eggs. We'll crack it into a bowl. And we'll give it a good whisk. Okay, and to this we're going to add a bit of cornstarch. And what the cornstarch is going to do is help bind the eggs and make it a little extra puffy when we cook it. And we'll add a little bit of the seasoning salt. So give this a good whisk. And break up any of the little cornstarch bits. Okay, so this looks good. We'll put this aside. And next, we'll mince up all these ingredients. Start with the bamboo shoots. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's cut up the wood ears here. And if you can't find fresh wood ears, you can use the dried wood ears. Just make sure to soak it. Okay. Let's mince the garlic. Mince the pickled mustard. We'll mince the green onion. And this is a fairly large green onion. And the pork doesn't require any marinating. So all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, I have my wok set at a medium-high heat. Let's add the oil. We're going to cook the omelet first. Pour in the eggs. Turn down the heat to medium. We want the eggs to slowly cook and puff up. And let this cook for a few minutes. So now you can see the eggs are setting a bit on the top. So let's turn it over. And it's okay if it breaks. And we want the eggs to have this golden exterior. So just let the omelet cook for a couple minutes on the other side. Okay, that looks good. Let's check the other side. It's nice and golden on the other side. So remove it to your serving plate. I've turned up the heat back up to medium high. So now we'll cook the pork topping. Add some oil. Cook the pork. Cook it for about a minute until it becomes opaque. Okay, that looks good. Let's add the garlic and everything else. We'll leave a little bit of the green onions for last. Add a bit of the seasoning salt, pepper, sesame oil, Tsp White, give this a good stir, about 30 seconds. We'll add the chicken stock. Let this come up to a boil and simmer for a minute. Now we'll add the remaining green onions. And we'll thicken it with the cornstarch slurry. And once the sauce thickens up, and this looks really good, just toss this for 30 seconds. And this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's put the plate together. To put this dish together, we're going to cut the egg omelet into little, like, diagonal pieces. Just back onto the plate. And then we're going to top it off with the pork mixture. And this is like super yummy. And this is just another way to eat eggs. And here we have a delicious plate of Sichuan style egg omelet with minced pork and pickled mustard. The meat topping is rich and savory, and the eggs provide a very tender, soft texture. And once you've mixed it up a little bit, it's even more colorful. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, yummy. She likes egg omelet. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.